Hi friends, this video shows how to set up Chromecast with Google TV. First, turn on the Chromecast with Google TV, then select the language. Let me select English here. Then here I am going to select setup on TV install. We can also use Google Home app. So here I am going to select this option. Then select Wi-Fi network and connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, done. Connected to Wi-Fi. Now it's downloading system update. Please wait. Now it's restarting. Now it's installing system update. Okay, installation completed. Now it's rebooting. Okay, here we need to enter Gmail ID. Then enter password here. Okay, then accept. Here also select accept. Let me select unselect use location. I'm going to turn off this, then select accept, then select no thanks, then select continue, select no thanks, select confirm. Now it's installing apps, so please wait. Okay, app installation completed. So now it's adding finishing touches. Okay, completed. So this way we can set up Chromecast with the Google TV. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.